Welcome back to the Seagulls Mazda 323 channel. Big gully. Anyway, so we basically got a few things on the go this weekend. It's pretty cool. Small jobs that need to be done. They are relatively important for the overall sort of performance of the car. So we'll be looking at doing a PCV valve replacement and cleaning the hose. There's a few reasons for that, but basically it is something that does need to be getting done, probably in around about the 20,000, 40,000 K, I don't know, maybe someone knows exactly, but it needs to get done. So that's going to get done today. Right, so this is the original PCV valve for the 1.6 litre B6-2E engine. You can see it runs down onto the manifold here, underneath, and onto that there. We're going to check that whole hose and replace that valve. Now, I'm not sponsored, but when it comes to oils, lubricants and cleaners, there's only one brand that I'm using now, and that is Renewal. It's got high performance Renewal oil in there. It's also got the Renewal coolant, and I'm using this stuff as well, which I find quite helpful to clean everything carb related. Here are the replacement parts for the PCV valve. That is the rubber grommet that you're going to need a new one of, and that here is the part number, but also that's what it's going to look like. If anyone knows where to get a billet version of this, please let me know. That would be awesome. Alright, so getting this thing off is pretty easy. Just use your seagull claw and off that, let it drop, slide that back. That's your hose. We're going to clean that. I'm going to spray that out with a carb clean. There's no cracks in that anyway, so it's still pretty good. So we're going to slide off the original. It might be just a little bit of twisting, and I'll show you why we're going to do this, because this is the telltale sign of a faulty PCV valve. There's a little bit of shake there, not an awful lot, but it's very grubby. So it's just best to replace the whole thing. And there you go. Replaced PVC valve. Cleaned up the pipe. There was a little bit of gunk inside that pipe, but it's all nice and clean now. No cracks or leaks or anything like that, so the pipe's still in good nick. So that was a quick one. Thanks for watching. We'll continue with some more small mods now.